got my diapers. Piggies are always around. You guys wanna open it? Huh? You wanna open? You wanna open it? Ow, don't bite my finger. That wasn't nice. Here, get it. Get it. Don't knock it. That wasn't very helpful either. Get it. Come here. I get it. Get the package. Get it? Wanna open it? Open it. Now they wanna knock my phone over again. Get your butt out of my phone way. Here. Oh, he's gonna try. Here. You gonna open? Pull. Open and pull. 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 Got that open. Come on. Can I help me open it? Excuse me, I'm really tired yet. Little piggy diapers. Well, they're doggy diapers, but we're gonna use them as piggy diapers. This might fit Lincoln. They're really small. These are extra small, and then these are small. The small looks like they're gonna fit him. Yes, these are for you so you don't wet the bed. Because I know you can't really control your little bodies until you're about a year old. Yes, these are for you. Yes, these are for you. Don't eat the bag. Burn, settle. Gosh, she knocked over the bucket of water. Let's see if... See if we can get these open and see what size they are and how big. Stop it. Now they have female doggy diapers, which go over the back end, which I might end up getting some for the turtles when they come back in for the winter. Well, not yet. They're still too small. There's still too much commotion in the house, and they'd still be better off in their hut for the winter. Will you stop it? I guess it would have been smarter if I would have brought out a pair of scissors, because then Mommy wouldn't be struggling so much. But I know you guys are all interested in the packages. What do you want, Rusty? What do you want, Rusty? Huh, Rusty? Don't get away from the phone, Stone Age. What, Rusty? Stone Age! Oh, I got it! Here, you want to get it open from here? You want to get it open? You want to get it open? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're going to sit in my lap? Come on, Rusty. Oh, Rusty, you're supposed to go back over tonight. He didn't like that. He's like, no. No. So Rusty is free from his, greasy pig disease stuff. He just needed a couple good baths. Just a little extra attention. See, we got that for him. Okay. Yay. Oh, he's gonna fall asleep on me. Little rusty butt. Little rusty butt. Oh. It's doing rusty. Hi, baby. I still can't get these open. Okay, I'm done.